What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for MicroStrategy Incorporated with the ticker symbol MSTR. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. Make sure you guys check out my video description below if you guys want to get a discount for your TradingView subscription. A lot of people ask me, what software do I use to chart? I use TradingView. Why? Because it's one of the best ones. It's very professional. Never had any problems with it. Very high quality software. So if you guys want to get a subscription for yourself, check out my link in the video description below for a discount. It is an affiliate link, so you do help out the channel. Helping out the channel makes me want to do more of these videos. I upgrade my equipment, so you get better sound, better audio, and you just get better quality videos. So let's take a look at MicroStrategy. What's going on? Well, obviously, it retraced all the way back down to the 367 this week, and is finding support off that level, which was expected. So this is a good sign. Bitcoin is about to break out. I'll be disappointed if Bitcoin cannot hit 110,000 this month. It's just bound to break out any time, any second now. It's just ready to break out. I think 120 would be very quickly. Once it breaks out, once Bitcoin consolidates and it breaks out, it moves up very quickly. That's just what it has been doing this entire bull cycle. So once it breaks out of this consolidation pattern that's in, it's already trying to break out higher. But once it confirms, it's just off to the races. And I think MicroStrategy is lagging right now, but eventually is going to catch up. So let's say if Bitcoin is kind of like a flat line, sometimes MicroStrategy is leading, sometimes it's lagging, sometimes it's leading, sometimes it's lagging. So I kind of believe we're going to probably see that through the rest of the cycle because it gets overextended, a lot of fear and greed, and then it gets overextended on the opposite side, on the bearish side, and it's just going back and forth. So right now it's lagging, but eventually it's going to surpass Bitcoin in terms of gains. So let's take a look at it on the daily chart. Well, obviously it's staying above the critical level of 367, 368. You could draw a line across that level. It's been tested multiple times. So anything that's obvious, that sticks out to you, other traders also are drawing that on their chart. So they can see that there's resistance here, support, 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 resistance, resistance. Now it's support. And this is a good sign because look how price is coming back down to the support. It's coming back down very slowly and not a lot of volatility, which is a good sign. This looks to me just like a correction for higher prices because we did see two legs up. This is one leg up right here, and it was a measured leg as well. Second leg up. Price reached the target exactly, or just give or take a couple of cents, and then it's sold off. So which was normal. That's healthy in the market. But you didn't want to see price do something like this right here, where we see a break above the level and the immediate red candle the next day later. See, we didn't see that. This is different. This is a bullish sign. The clue is in the price action. And if you go drill down to a smaller time frame, you can see the difference. This looks like a correction to me, where price is trying to go down lower. You see that the bears are trying to reach the 357 level, but they're struggling to. So if we see a break through this trend line right here, this bearish trend line, if we see a break of this trend line, probably back up to the 380s, 390s, that's a very good sign. Most likely we're going to make another leg up higher, a bigger leg. These two legs are one large leg, and then you could drag this over, and that next target would be right around 483. So again, that could happen very shortly, probably sometime next month. Again, it's not guaranteed, and it might not happen, but I'm saying most likely it will happen. That's the base case. It's the most likely situation to play out because there's clues on the chart signaling to me that this time it's not like it was previously earlier this month. It looks more bullish to me. So those are the bullish signs on the chart, looking very bullish. And that's not including other bullish signs such as a bullish trend line, a break of the bearish trend line, a measure move target by the bears that might not be reached at the 240 level, which is a bullish sign. Again, nothing's guaranteed in the market. If it was that easy, then you wouldn't be watching this video, right? It's not guaranteed. You have to go with the price action. You can't have tunnel vision. You can't be stuck in one situation. You can't be, oh, I'm bearish, I'm bearish, I'm bearish, and you keep on being bearish. And you can't even be bullish all the time either, because that's not how the market works. It switches back and forth between bullish, bearish, and neutral. Bullish, bearish, neutral. Bullish, bearish, neutral. Not, in the same sequence, but, sometimes you can have a bullish couple of weeks, then you have a couple bearish weeks. Either way, I'm just kind of rambling now. It's basically bullish to me. I like how it's supporting, staying above the 368 level. Most likely it's going to go higher. If we do see a breakdown lower, it is what it is. I'm not expecting it to continue that much lower. We have this bullish trend line in play. And most likely, if Bitcoin breaks out higher over the weekend, we're going to see a good week next week for MicroStrategy. Looking at the weekly chart, a little correction week after the prior week, which is normal after a big week. Sometimes you'll see price kind of digest the market, digest the move. So it's consolidating. It's just pulling back, expecting higher prices above the EMA, no longer overextended. It's ready to expand and push up higher. So overall, looking very good for MicroStrategy. I'm still expecting $1,500 in this cycle at the minimum, I would say. That is the next target in play. And then I'm expecting $4,000. So this is one leg up right here. Second leg up, measure move target around 1,400, 1,500. Again, that just means that that doesn't mean we're going to get there in terms of price, but we'll probably get there in terms of market cap. So let's say MicroStrategy is $400, just to make it simple, and we reach 1,600. Well, that's a 4 times of the market cap currently. So 93 billion. That's about 360 billion. So probably right around 300 to about 360 billion is going to be the next level, long-term target. And then one day, probably this year, I'm expecting a $1 trillion market cap. Maybe not trillion, maybe right around that area. But that's what the technicals say. You can see that it's been going up long-term since 2002. It made a low in 2009 here, which is higher than the 02 level. It made a low in 2020, which is higher than the 09 level. It made a low in 2023, which is above the 2020 low. So you can see that it's long-term going up. It's exceeded its dot-com bubble high, and it's ready to make new all-time highs much higher. Overall, that's all I see from MicroStrategy in the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.